Welcome partners to the Track Parcel tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make use of the Track My Parcel functionality on the platform. On the normal landing page, you'll see in the top right-hand corner next to your partner portal button, there's Track Parcel. Select that option. Three options will then appear: tracking number, shipment number, and client reference. Click on the tracking number button. In the pop-up box that appears, input the reference number as it appears on the parcel pack label. You'll see it on the barcode section. Once you've input the number, select search, and below you will see a breakdown of the details of what exactly has happened with the pack, on which date and which time, and at which point. So as you can see in this example, you can see when it was retrieved, when it was delivered, and all that information. Next, we will be showing you how to use the Track Parcel functionality from inside your dashboard. So you'll go to your profile section, and just below where it says profile, you'll see Track Parcels. Select there. A similar page will open up with the three options. Select tracking number. In the pop-up box, insert your reference number again and click search. You'll see in the section below, as in the previous example, all the information is detailed and listed. So you can also see when the client dropped the parcel off at the collection point, when it was collected by the driver, when it was dropped off at the distribution center, and when it was dispatched for delivery, and when the recipient received the parcel. So with this functionality, you'll be able to better assist your clients should they ever need to be able to trace where their parcel is at which point in time. Thank you for watching this video.